Experiencing Bluetooth connection issues with your Phonak hearing aids? In this video, I will guide you through effective troubleshooting techniques to resolve common pairing problems and ensure your hearing devices perform optimally. Let's start with the basics to ensure a smooth connection. First, fully charge your Phonak hearing aids, as low battery levels can disrupt Bluetooth connectivity. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone and confirm that neither the device nor the hearing aids are in flight mode, which can block connections. Finally, check that your internet connection is stable for the initial pairing. To troubleshoot persistent Bluetooth issues, start by navigating to the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Here, find your Phonak hearing aids listed under Connected Devices and choose to Forget this device. This action clears any previous connections that could be interfering. Next, reset your hearing aids by simply turning them off and then turning them back on. This can help establish a fresh connection. To pair your Phonak hearing aids again, open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone. Ensure your hearing aids are in pairing mode, usually done by turning them off and then on. They should now appear in your device's list of available Bluetooth devices. Select your hearing aids from the list to initiate the pairing. Once connected, your phone will confirm that the hearing aids are successfully reconnected. Let's now focus on the My Phonak app, which can enhance your experience with Phonak hearing aids. Start by installing the My Phonak app from your smartphone's App Store. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to pair your hearing aids. This process often solves many connectivity issues. However, if you encounter problems within the app, try restarting both your hearing aids and the app to refresh the connection. For more stubborn issues, a factory reset might be necessary. To perform this, press and hold the bottom button on your hearing aid for 15 to 20 seconds. Then, place the hearing aid into the charger. You should see a blinking battery light indicating the device is resetting. Once you remove it from the charger, it will turn on and be ready to pair again. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider some advanced troubleshooting techniques. For example, if you experience one-sided connections or intermittent connectivity, try manually reconnecting the hearing aids through your phone's Bluetooth settings. It's also a good idea to check for any software updates for both your smartphone and the My Phonak app, as updates can fix known bugs and enhance functionality. That's it for the video. I hope these steps helped you solve the connectivity issues with your Phonak hearing aids. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful troubleshooting guides. Also, if you have any questions or additional tips that worked for you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.